You can get over this with the best air freshener for weed. We have selected 5 products among thousands to make it easier for you to choose. Aren't you glad you have this solution? Let's see everything one by one and then make your final choice with us. There are many products available to choose from air freshener for weed, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best air freshener for weed from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best air freshener for weed. Number 1. Yankee Candle Car Air Fresheners. It's time to fragrance your ride and liven up your errands or commute. The Yankee Candle Car Jar Air Freshener is great in small spaces that could use a lift. The paperboard freshener is infused with a fragrance that lasts up to a month. Each Yankee Candle Car Air Freshener's car can fill your car with real fragrance. In addition, its iconic look will make you smile every day. Also, this car freshener offers a large selection of authentic scents that last up to 30 days. Moreover, when the scent shrinks below the label, it's time for you to change to a new one. Plus, when you buy, you can get a 3-pack at once that you can hang all at once on the center mirror. Therefore, its size of 0.15 inches L x 3.08 inches W x 7.75 inches can repel cigarette odors or other unpleasant odors away. Number 2. Fresh Wave Odor Removing Gel. You can put this anywhere in your car, whether under the steering wheel, under the seat, or anywhere else. It will still remove cigarette or liquor odors. Besides, this gel fragrance neutralizes odors in all rooms in your home. Also, the gel is made from non-toxic, non-GMO, and harmless, which is safe for the elderly, pets, and children. At the same time, the plant-based ingredients, including pine needles, lime, cloves, anise, and cedarwood, will not absorb into your nose. Hence, this fresh wave odor removing gel smells like plants and will leave your room smelling only clean and fresh. Number 3. Ozium Smoke and Odors Eliminator Gel. You can battle the smell of cigarettes in your car with Ozium Smoke and Odors Eliminator Gel. Aside from that, this product works hard to kill smoke and odors in all small spaces. Even though this air freshener, with 2 options of 4.5 ounces and 8 ounces, cannot directly cover fragrances, but it can effectively clean the air. But how does it work? First, before the fragrance hits the nose, it changes the chemical structure of the foul odor so that it no longer smells foul. Second, when it hits the nose, it changes the receptor sites of the nose so that the ability to smell bad odors is reduced. Therefore, this one is a fragrance that is different and unique than others. This product can expose you to chemicals which are known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. For more information, go to www.p65 warnings. CA Government. Number 4. PURGGO Car Air Freshener. Say goodbye to lingering cigarette odor in your car by placing PURGGO Car Air Freshener on the back of your seat. In addition, this air freshener contains no fragrance, plastic, or chemicals. Amazingly, it is made with 100% bamboo charcoal, which naturally absorbs odors. Moreover, the bamboo charcoal acts like a big sponge. As air organically passes through it, odor particles are trapped on the surface inside the charcoal. At the same time, it is made safe for you, your children, and your pets. Besides, it's also great for people with asthma, allergies, nasal congestion, and other respiratory sensitivities. Overall, it eliminates odors, not masks them. Number 5. Cannabolish Smoke Odor Eliminator Spray. Take a deep breath and enjoy fresh, odor-free air by spraying Cannabolish Odor Removing Spray. In addition, this one eliminates cigarette smoke or unpleasant odors using a safe and natural blend of water and plant oils. Furthermore, there are no harmful chemicals or fake fragrances in its manufacture, so it will be safe for people with respiratory problems and children. Alternatively, you can choose which one to put in your car with two scent options, lavender and wintergreen. However, you can also use this to remove unwanted odors from the air, fabrics, and other surfaces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information or if you want to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.